If you're a woman over 40, this one thing will stall your weight loss if you don't fix it. Hi, I'm Cindy. Welcome to Intentionally Eat. If you're a woman over 40 looking to lose weight on a plant-based diet, then you're at the right place. So when you are in menopause or perimenopause, you want to think about adding more protein and fiber to your diet. So start paying attention to building your plate around plant-based protein. Those sources could be tofu, tempeh, seitan, soy curls, TVP, textured vegetable protein. Nutritional yeast has a lot of protein, if you haven't realized that. It could be protein powders. Even look at the breads that you're eating and look for breads that have a little bit higher protein content. The milk that you're drinking, soy milk typically has more protein than other plant milks. I always prefer organic if possible when it comes to soy. So start to pay attention to how much protein you're taking in, because as we age, we start to really lose muscle, and we need to maintain it as much as we can for healthy aging. So not only do you want to work out and strength train, which you can find that on my other channel, FunFit Co., but you also want to eat more protein. So thinking about 20 to 30 grams per meal. So we're thinking about breakfast. That could be a scrambled tofu. It could be a seitan BLT or tempeh BLT. It could be adding TVP to your oatmeal. Not kidding, it's delicious. It just adds texture and it adds some protein. You could add TVP to your cereal. Again, not kidding. It just adds a little bit of texture, and it is a fantastic way to boost the protein and the fiber content. Maybe it's your smoothie and you want to add a silken tofu, or you want to add protein powder. At lunch, you want to think about adding lentils or beans to your salad, or maybe seitan. You could add tofu to a sandwich, little sliced baked tofu. It's delicious. So thinking outside the box just a little bit on how can I boost the protein content here in whatever it is. If you're used to eating a plain salad, I want you to think about what could I add that would boost the protein content to this salad. If you're used to having soup, what can I add to this soup to boost the protein? Maybe it's TVP, maybe it's beans, maybe it's nutritional yeast, because that is a nice little boost of protein. So thinking along those lines and planning your meals around protein, even though you're plant-based, it's still important. It's vitally important as we age. So that's what I want you to think about, is what can I add to this meal that will boost protein? And if you want a sweet treat that has protein, check out this recipe. And I'll see you later.